Hey everybody, welcome back to Coop to Grill. Today we're going to make a Cattle Drive Casserole and we're going to throw that on a smoker. Check it out. Alright, we're going to start out with the ingredients. You're going to need 2 cups of your favorite biscuit mix. Bisquick or Jiffy works great. You need 1 1/4 cup of milk, 2 pounds of ground beef from your favorite local farmer. You need 1 diced yellow onion, 1 diced green pepper. We only had a yellow one, and we're going to use that today. You need 2 tablespoons of taco seasoning, 1/2 cup of Duke's mayo, 1/2 cup of sour cream. We're going to use top potato today. You need 1 cup of shredded pepper jack cheese. We're going to use Colby Jack cheese because we like that a little better. And you need 1 cup of shredded cheddar cheese. The last thing you need is 2 cans of Rotels. That's 20 ounces. This is 28. We like a little extra tomatoes, so we're going to use the 28-ounce can today. We're going to take our 1 1/4 cups of milk, throw it in our 2 cups of Bisquick. Your wife's new favorite whisk and mix that together. Okay, we're going to pour this in a greased baking dish. You're going to want to take this over to the sink and spray this down so you don't get cooking spray all over your wife's nice stainless steel fridge doors. Once you have that greased up, you're going to add your biscuit mix. What? I'm trying to warn the public against such foolish actions. It could happen in the kitchen. To anybody, really.
To anybody,
It could happen to anybody.
That's so true.
There we go. Look at that. Oh, my goodness. We're going to take this out to the smoker. I got it set at 350 degrees. We're going to toss that on for 10 minutes. While this is smoking, we're going to brown up our beef. Our biscuits out of the smoker. While that was smoking, we started browning our burger. We got our cheese shredded up, and we're about to make our cheese spread. So it's 1/2 cup of mayo. 1/2 cup of mayo into the tub. 1/2 cup of sour cream. All right, we're going to put 1/2 cup into here. Can I ask you a personal question?
What?
Why do you have a glow-in-the-dark cooking spatula? How many instances do you have say, oh my goodness, what if we lose power and I need to bake something very fast? I need to have... Is that not... Anyways, 1/2 cup of sour cream.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Inquiring minds want to know.
We lose power out here quite often,
Well,
actually.
we do. I just... yeah. 8 ounces of cheddar shredded and 8 ounces of Colby Jack shredded. Yeah, what am I stirring it with this glow-in-the-dark one for? Why don't we save this for a special occasion?
I like it. You want me to turn the lights off?
Yeah.
No, it's not glow in the dark.
Are you sure?
I've never tried it. We'll try it later.
Oh, sure. Never had such an emergency.
I have not.
Yep. Wasn't there a song about that, cooking in the dark?
I thought that was fishing in the dark.
Frying on a... Never mind. I've never had a cheese paste before.
It's like cheesesteak.
This is fantastic. We're going to put our beef on first, right?
Yeah, the beef's first.
Okay. Our biscuit bake. Ready to go. We're going to add our taco meat. You make this exactly how you make your taco meat.
Except add the onion and the pepper.
Yeah.
Unless you do that already.
Once that's spread out, we're going to add our cans of tomatoes. Spread these out. And now we add our cheese mixture over top of this with our glow-in-the-dark spatula. Very important. What? Oh, no.
What?
This is like really loosey-goosey.
What is?
The whole thing.
Well, don't smush it so hard.
I can't not smush it that hard. Look at, is this supposed to cover the whole thing?
Yeah, maybe you should have plooped it on. You know, instead of blobbed it on.
Yeah, probably.
I didn't think about that, sorry.
Oh, add the topping cheese. We're going to add about 1/4 cup. We're going to take this out to the Z-Grill, 350, 30 minutes. We'll see you guys in 30. Oh, yeah.
Wow.
So good.
It does look so good.
Oh, my goodness. Can you smell it?
Mm-hmm. It smells good. How's it feel?
Feel good.
Yeah, the biscuit feels okay?
Yeah.
All right. Oh, wow.
Look at that.
Oh.
Pretty perfect, I think.
I don't know. We're going to see. Ooh, that's hot. That looks hot.
It is looking hot. Hot to trot.
Nope.
Yeah, look at that biscuit. Turned out great.
Let me see.
Look at
yeah.
the smoke ring on that biscuit. I'm just kidding.
You and your smoke rings.
It was really good. No. All right. Yeah. Well, that was fantastic. Cattle Drive Casserole for the win on the smoker. You guys don't have a smoker? Throw this in the oven. This is fantastic. Do not forget to like, subscribe, drop a comment. It helps grow our channel. And if you want to see more of this kind of stuff with us in it, they're over here. We're gonna go have this. You go check that out.